Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Christmas time, that time of the year when you are required to cook. And one of your favorite meal which is cooked on Christmas Day is a turkey. And there's lots of recipe on how to cook a turkey for Christmas. But if you're like me, doing a DIY, you come up with your own method. And I've used my method year after year and just worked. And my turkey has been delicious, has been enjoyed by several people. And this year equally I'm cooking a turkey. So what do? Well, it's so simple. Just take about 3 or 4 spices. Like today we use cinnamon. I've used just about 3 or 4. Put them in a bowl, mix them, put some salt, then add a bit of cooking oil and some hot water. Then take out your turkey and wrap it, and just spread the sausage you've just made. So far it's already in the cooker. 1 second, let me just take out the turkey and I'll show you. So I made the sauces and I've put on the turkey. This is how it's looking at the moment. And now let's chuck it in the oven for 4 hours. I'll be making another video to show you how it will look like when it's done. Okay, thank you.